Morning guys, this week for your maths strategy, you are working on using skip counting to solve some multiplication problems or times tables. So problems that have a symbol like this in them. The problem might look like this. So this week we're going to be solving multiplication problems using skip counting. Remember that skip counting is when you count groups of something. You don't count everything one by one. So instead of going 1, 2, 3 like this, I can count how many maths pieces I have here by counting in groups. So I'm going to count in twos. It's going to make it quicker for me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. So there I skip counted in twos to help me figure out how many pieces I had. I can also use skip counting to help me solve money problems. So, at the shop there's something that I want to buy that's going to cost $40. I can skip count in tens to figure out how many $10 notes I'm going to need to buy something that's worth $40. Let's skip count together. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. That shows me that I need 1, 2, 3, 4 $10 notes. So I would need 4 $10 notes, and that's how I use skip counting to help me. Okay, so we're going to learn a little bit about what we would usually say is times, actually means. You might have seen equations that look like this. 3 times 5. Okay, but what I want to tell you is actually this times symbol here really means groups of. Okay, so every time we see the times symbol, I want us either in our heads or with our mouth to say groups of. 3 groups of 5. So what does groups of mean? Let's draw out what 3 groups of 5 might look like. So here I've got 3 groups of 5. I've got one group here and there's 5 in it. I've got another group with 5 in it, and I've got one down the bottom with 5 more in it. So instead of counting every single one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would take forever, I can use skip counting to help me, and I can skip count in 5s. I know that I've got 3 groups of 5 here, so I can skip count like this. 5, 10, 15. So 5, 10, 15. That means that 3 groups of 5 is how many? 15. 3 groups of 5 is 15. And if I'm not sure, I can check by counting them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I was right. On the next slide, you're going to practice counting in 5s with some money problems. Remember that you can draw out the problems. You can use the $5 notes with the money to help you, or you can skip count on your hands like this. 3 groups of 5, 5, 10, 15, that's 3. Well done, you've finished all your commit tasks. You've worked really hard this week, so now it's time to show off how much you've learned. You're going to do the next 3 activity slides on Explain Everything. Remember to explain how you've used skip counting to help you, and you're to upload your best Explain Everything to your Seesaw to share with your parents. Okay, good luck, well done, and remember to come and see me if you need any help.